Welcome to How to Sail in the Dark When You Can't See a Damn Thing. We just pulled Reboot's anchor up and we are about to head into the very shallow and very narrow pass to get out into the Gulf. Fun fact, catamarans don't have headlights. Yep, except for a flashlight and the chart plotter telling us the depth, we can see nothing.
That's freaky, look at it. That's Miami on the horizon. It's my husband at the front bow of the boat watching for crab pots. And we are about to head into the mangroves at night.
Before we made the final decision to leave, we checked predict wind and did the sail planning. Leaving at 5 a.m. and leaving at 6:45 a.m. got us in at practically the same time, so we left a little bit later. We wanted to get into Bimini when the tides were still high because it can be really shallow there. Going through Angelfish Creek was super stressful and I didn't film it, but here's the payoff. Look at that sunrise.
We made it through and now we're about to put the sail.
One other thing I wouldn't recommend is wearing a tank top when you're navigating through the mangroves because, man, I got eaten alive by the mosquitoes that were not there offshore. We ended up motor sailing most of the way because the wind wasn't quite where we needed it to be and we did not want to get dragged downstream by the Gulf Stream and miss Bimini. I also used my iPad with GPS and cellular as a backup to the chart plotter because if you have two, you have one, and if you have one, you have none.
We're doing 6.3 knots, the sun's coming up, and we are headed to the Gulf Stream. I'm a little concerned about the pink sky and morning. Sailors take warning, but all the weather reports we've gotten from Chris Parker to Madison and to Big Wind, they're all saying today's going to be a good day, so
See you out there.